So here we have the butter churn attachment here for the Homesteader milk pail. To make butter, we have the basic parts: the can, that's a vented can, and the dasher. Dasher has a special bushing that fits in the bottom of the pail. That goes into our mesh in the bottom there, so it keeps it in place there. We'll then install the lid on top and strap this on. And then we will fasten the drill in here and make butter. Okay, the top got clear. The splashing up there, I believe we're finished. So we have the buttermilk nice and clear. We have the butter clumps. I believe it's time to wash it. We're trying to get the water to run clear when we're done. The water's looking clear. I'm gonna do the first round.